everybody, and happy 4th of July. Hop on board. My name is Dean. Welcome aboard. Now, I know that our town's got a little bit of a reputation, but don't you worry about anything because we have come equipped with a TNT launcher! Woo! But we won't be needing it. No one's seen a great white around here in 49 years, so we're gonna be fine. We'll be fine. Now, let me just check in with Base, make sure everything's clear to go. Base, are we clear to go?
This is Base. You're cleared for departure, Amity 6. Have a good trip.
Excellent. Whoop. Give me a second. Old girl's getting finicky. There, up we go. Wave goodbye to your friends and loved ones, everyone. Now, as I said, my name is Dean, and I'll be your guide for this scenic tour of Amity Island. All right, everybody, welcome to Captain Jake's Amity Boat Tours. We are the best and only scenic boat tour on the island, and we'll be visiting the actual spots where back in 1974, the beast we call Jaws devoured all those poor islanders. Now, the first item of interest over on your port side is the home of our very own Chief of Police, Martin Brody. After blowing up that monster of a shark, he became a legend in his own time. By the way, in that movie they made about our little shark episode...
Something's out there! I don't know what... Help! Help!
Hey, this is Amity 6. Did you copy that transmission just now? Sounded like Gordon on Amity 3. Over.
10-4, we copy. He can't be too far away. He was heading back in. We're picking up his distress signal now. Keep an eye out for him. I'll call Chief Brody. Base clear.
Copy that. We'll see. What on earth? Oh, no. Oh, no. Base, this is Amity 6. Amity 3 is sinking by the lighthouse. I repeat, Amity 3 is sinking, and I don't see any sign of the crew or passengers. I don't know what could have done this except...
Amity 6, repeat that?
Shark! My... Base, he's under the boat. What do we do?
Take off. Try the grenade launcher. Over.
Really? Base, this is Amity 6. Tell Chief Brody we're gonna hide in the boathouse until we get help. We'll be safe in there in the meantime. Everyone okay? We're okay. We're gonna be okay. Let's see, where can we tie up? Hello? Anybody in here? Come on, I gotta go. Come on, old girl, come on, we gotta go! Come on! Hold on. I got you. There, alright, off we go! No! Look out!
Brody, I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
10 minutes? We're gonna be shark bait in 10 minutes! Alright, guys. I don't see him. But... Oh! Whoa, this is bad. Oh, this is very bad. Come on, guys. We gotta get away from this gas dock. Gotta go for it. Come on. We go. Hang on tight. Looks like we made it. Hold tight, everyone. We should be okay. Yeah, I don't see him anywhere. I think that's the last we'll see of him. We're gonna try and get off of that old fishing shack and get off one row at a time. Everyone, for now, just stay seated and keep your hands in the boat. Oh, and watch out for that high voltage barge. I think we can... Oh, no, not again. Come on. I think I got it. Anyone see it? There. Just be short. Oh, that's disgusting. But we roasted him! What a day!
Amity 6, what was that? Where the heck are you?
This is Brody. Are you all right?
Yeah, Chief, this is Amity 6. Call off the Marines. We are coming home! Whew! Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to thank you all for your incredible bravery today, but, you don't need to, we don't need to tell anyone what happened out there, alright? If that fish episode leaked, that'd be it for Captain Jake and a lot of the other businesses around here, so just keep it to yourselves. I mean, after all, we did get him, didn't we? Ha ha! Yeah, we did! Well, on behalf of Captain Jake and Universal Studios, thank you for helping me conquer Jaws. I'll see you next time.